I totally did not steal that from another well-known Lolita YouTuber. But anyways, what's up my dudes? We got another unboxing right here. And as you could tell, this is something super special because this is actually a dress I got from the Taobao brand Souffle Song. And this dress I have right here is actually a dress I have from Souffle Song, and it is honestly one of my favorite dresses because not only is it really comfortable, but it's also extremely plus size friendly, which as someone who's like borderline plus size, I stan. So the dress I have here is called Sweet Cherry Deer by Souffle Song, and it is in the largest size possible, which it doesn't look like it, but holy crap, the shearing on this is literally like, oh, it's so, oh my god, I don't know how to describe it. It's like really comfortable, and it is honestly one of my favorite dresses because there's a lot of cute little deer on it and cherries everywhere, and oh, it's so cute. I just had to get it in the mint colorway, even though to be totally honest, it's a lot more sax than mint, which is pretty much why I coordinated with the this rectangle on my head from Baby, which, to be fair, the only thing I hate about it is that there's no clips on it, because all you have is Baby, and also one of the ribbons went untied on me, and I've been struggling to tie it back up again. Oh my god. It's like, funny story, I was talking to someone on Discord who also does Lolita and the Hitalia fandom, and it's like me trying to figure out how to tie this up, and then I tie it up again, and I was taking this out and it just went untied again. So this is my shitty attempt to tie it up, and if only I was less awkward, I would totally go to a meetup and be like, oh my god, someone help me tie this up. I can't because I have a stupid motor disability. What I was saying was, I ordered, according to PayPal, which I paid for back in December. This was like just before the new year. I got this in December. It is now May 14th of next year, and there was kind of a funny thing behind this, but at the same time I was like, no. So pretty much around February I got a shipping notice saying that my dress got shipped out. I was like, oh my god, already? It's like literally snowing outside. But then it came to my house and they sent me the wrong dress. It was like, oh my god, you sent me, Souffle Song, please, you sent me the wrong dress. But I had to wait a week because it was the Lunar New Year. And no, wait, was it the Lunar New Year? Chinese New Year? I think it's the same thing. But anyways, so I had to wait a week because they're all celebrating. And they're like, oh my god, we are so sorry. Please return the dress back to us and we'll send you the new dress. And it's finally here. I just hope they don't send me the wrong dress again, because I saw no one actually review this dress. And you know, I might as well review it because, one, it's a dream dress, and two, it is super pretty, and I hope you will appreciate it. Gotta take a little peek in here just in case it's the right one. And it looks like it. I hope it's... Oh, it is. I'm so excited. I'm gonna rip this up with my bare freaking hands. Like, oh my god. I am happy to say that this is indeed the right dress, and oh, it's so pretty. Oh, they have an invoice in here, but y'all are not gonna find my address because I do not want to get doxxed. And they actually put in a really nice bag. Let's see. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I got the OP because this is Babby's first OP, and I have no OPs, but oh my god, it's so pretty. There's so many strawberries and rabbits on it. Oh, there's cute little mice on here too. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this on. I'm so excited. Like, it smells brand new too, actually. And oh my god, I love the print on this. I am so excited to try this on. Like, also excited to try this on was like a totally casual dress. I just hope it's like long enough for my tall leggies, because I'm 5'8", and sometimes dresses, especially like salopettes, are a bit too short for me, and I'm so scared like I'm gonna bend over. It's like, no, curves, no. But oh, it's so pretty. I really also hope that, ooh, these are elasticized, which is a good thing. And there's a zipper, oh my god! Yes! Holy crap, a zipper! Finally, I don't have to like worry about sliding this on without struggling and cutting off my unfortunately lopsided boobs, and it's like, oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm just so excited because I waited so long for this dress and it's finally here. I also included I think this is like the bow for the front, and they also included the lacing on the back of the dress in case I want to like tighten it up, but I'm not sure if I want to tighten it up considering my boobs are really lopsided and could probably squeeze them. But I'm gonna try it on anyways, and hopefully I'll coordinate it the best I can with what I have, even though I have a hat coming from Wunderwelt on the way to top off this coordinate. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this actually fits really nicely. Like, I might have some body issues, like sometimes I feel like I'm way too fat, even though it's just like I have really big ribs, but oh my god, this actually fits me. This is Babby's first OP. It's really comfortable. The zipper zips up all the way. Although, the only thing I can't do by myself is hook these, this little, what's it, X thing on my neck all the way, or tie it up, because I'm literally home by myself today, so, but, oh, it's so, good shit. The thing about this dress is that it is a bit short on me, meaning that oh my god, my knees are exposed. But that's okay, because at least it's not like we're in like 1830 and it's like, oh my god, you wench, your ankles showing, your knees are showing, what kind of wench are you? Some other things to say about the dress is that it's very comfortable, and it's kind of a light dress, so you could like wear it out like casually or something like that. But the one thing I friggin' hate about it is this bow, which is kind of notorious on other Souffle Song dresses, where the pins kind of like come off when it's just kind of a pain in the ass to get it on in the first place. But otherwise, I did my best to put this on, even though I'm trying not to hide this little button down here, but it still looks pretty freaking good. And there's so much skin on my back. Oh my god, I am such a wench. Another thing about Souffle Song I really like about the brand is that they do custom sizing, meaning like if your measurements aren't like readily available for their stock sizes, they will gladly customize like any dress, almost any dress, to your measurements. Although I believe you have to pay like an extra fee for custom sizing, but I'm not too sure about that. But I found out the extra large is just right for me, or whatever the largest size they have for this dress is, oh, perfect. It is so perfect. It fits like a glove. I'm also looking at the official website, and there are other colorways for this dress, and the other like JSKs, and I think they also have a salopette as well. And they also have in red, pink, mint, which actually is like the mint I had for a sweet cherry deer that I wore earlier. And I have the ivory, which honestly I think looks the best with this print, since the white makes the pinks actually stand out a lot more. Also, just want to say I'm honestly so excited to coordinate this, considering this is a dream dress of mine that I was like, oh my god, I need it. And considering I have literally no OPs in my wardrobe, this is officially Babby's first OP.
Tomorrow.
So, you think that was the only unboxing I was gonna do? Well, think again, because I got another package from none other than DevilInspired, which actually I pre-ordered this back in November, and I also believe I bought a blouse as well, because your girl need blouses. But I think this is a... Anyways, I believe this is a long sleeve OP from a Taobao brand called Lollipops Lolita, and upon seeing it, it was like, oh my god, I need it, even though this is already the second OP I have with bears on it. Wait. No, wait. Second dress I have with bears on it. I can't English, I swear to God. So we're gonna open this up, and I see something really cute. Is this what I think? Ooh, wow, it's actually a lot more vibrant than in the pictures. Oh, this is so adorable. And it comes in a little Ziploc bag. And I'm gonna take this out. Yep, that's an OP, alright, baby. Oh wow, I love this, actually. The colors are really, really vibrant compared to the stock picture on the site, and woo, I'm already in love, actually. And I thought this was gonna be an impulse buy. And then I have a blouse from the brand Hard Candy, which, by the way, they do plus sizes, which is really awesome. But I got literally the smallest size because even though my boobs are small, they are lopsided, so that means I have to accommodate the boob that is the biggest. So, ooh, wow. Oh, that is so cute. There's embroidery on here. Oh, that is so cute. And there's a tag that has, I believe this leads to their Weibo page. There's a QR code on the tag, and it also leads to the Taobao shop right there. Oh wow, I can't wait to try this on, even though, as you can tell, I am more casual because I had to ride my bike home from work, and it was really hot, and oh gosh, the pain of sweating. So anyways, here's the dress in action. I forgot to mention that this bow up here is removable, and while I was getting this dress on, I should have mentioned that unfortunately one of the buttons came off on this right here, and I got really sad, but thankfully the thing about buttons is that they're easier to sew back on, and I should be back in action once I get that done. But otherwise, it's surprisingly lightweight for a dress, and my petticoat I have from Me Likes Tea holds it up very well. And honestly, I can't get over how cute this is because finally a long sleeve OP I can wear. And although it was a bit difficult getting on, but that's because I am not used to wearing long sleeve dresses like this. And I forgot to button up. And these you're supposed to button these up because I forgot to button them up. I didn't want, and I was so scared one of the buttons was gonna come off. But otherwise, it is very cute and pretty. And it also did come with another bow in the bag, which I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Oh, not to mention that it actually came with English care instructions, which is like, wow. It's like something I've never seen from a Taobao brand, considering this is literally this is actually DevilInspired's in-house brand, which, to be fair, is, for the first attempt at a dress, it's really good actually. Like, I'm really happy with this. Total dumbass update, I found a zipper on this dress because I thought there was no zipper. It was like, oh my god, no wonder it was so hard to get on. But I just did not find the zipper because it was cleverly hidden underneath the armpit.